Hello students, we have discussed some important definitions related to lenses. That you have discussed body optical center, principal axis, principal focus, first principal focus, second principal focus. We have also discussed focal length, focal plane, and also we have discussed thin lens. Now we discuss image formation in lenses. So first we will discuss convex lens producing real image. So remember, in order to represent image formation in lenses using the ray diagrams, some important points are to be considered. First, uh, you have to place the object perpendicular to the principal axis of the lens. Remember, first point, you have to place the object perpendicular to the principal axis of the lens, and remember, rays which is parallel to the principal axis after refraction will pass through the principal focus in case of convex lens and will appear to be coming from principal focus in case of concave lens. And second important one is, rays directed to optical center goes straight, goes without any deviation. Then the intersection of the two rays would give the image of the object. Then you have to draw a normal from the point to the principal axis. If the rays actually intersect, then the image is called real image, and if the rays appears to meet, then the image is called virtual image. So first we will discuss convex lens producing real image. So remember, if the object lies beyond focus, convex lens produces real image. Convex lens, so principal focus F, F. So if the object lies beyond focus, if B is the object lies beyond focus of the convex lens, then take a light ray that goes parallel to the principal axis. Then after refraction, it will pass through the focus. Take another light rays that passes through the optical center, and after passing through the optical center, it goes straight. Both the light rays meet at this point, actually meet at this point, and the image is formed. It is PDS. So it is PDS is the real image. So this is convex lens real image. Then we will discuss convex lens producing virtual image. So remember, if the object lies between optical center and focus, then convex lens produces virtual image. Remember, if the object lies between optical center and focus, convex lens produces virtual image. We'll draw the ray diagram. Convex lens. focus, optical center C, take the object AB, it lies between optical center and focus. First take a light ray that goes parallel with the principal axis. After refraction it will pass through the focus. Take another light ray that passes through the optical center C. After refraction it will go straight. Then here both the refracted ray will not meet. So if the rays is produced backward, then the image is formed. Both the rays appears to meet at this point. It has draw a perpendicular on the principal axis. That means A dash B dash. This is virtual image. A dash B dash is virtual image. Here both these refracted rays appears to meet at the point A dash. So this is virtual image. Now we'll discuss concave lens virtual image. Concave lens virtual image. So remember, concave lens produces virtual image. Focus F. Object AB. First take a light ray that goes parallel with the principal axis. After refraction, it appears to come from the point F. Take another light rays that goes to optical center C. After passing through optical center, it goes straight. So here both the light rays appears to meet at the point A dash. So image will be A dash B dash. A dash B dash. So A dash B dash is virtual image. So remember, convex lens produces both real image and virtual image. If the object lies beyond focus, it produces real image. If the object lies between optical center and focus, convex lens produces virtual image. And for all the positions of the object, concave lens produces virtual image. Concave lens always produces virtual image. Here, object distance is CB, optical center to object. This is called object distance. Distance between optical center and object is called object distance. So CB is called object distance. CB, object distance. Distance between optical center and the image is called image distance. Means CB dash is called image distance, and focal length optical center to focus CF. CF is called focal length. CF is called focal length. CF is called focal length. CF is equal to focal length. So in case of convex lens, here the light rays actually pass. So we'll take this focus. This focus is important, and this CF is called focal length. Here the light ray passes through this point, focus. So this focal length, this focus is important. So this is focal length. CF is focal length, and here this is the focus of concave lens, and this is the focal length. CF is focal length. So if you take the sign convention, focal length of convex lens is positive, CF is positive, and in case of concave lens, focal length is negative. Now sign convention. Sign convention. Sign convention in lenses. So as you have discussed sign convention in spherical mirror, so similar sign conventions will be used in lenses. Suppose this is the origin is taken as the optical center of the lens. That is the C is the origin or the optical center of the lens. The distances measured along this axis is negative, and distance measured along this axis is positive. If you measure the heights upward, height upward, this is positive, height upward positive, and height downwards, if you measure height downwards below the principal axis, that is negative. So these are the sign convention used in optics. So remember, all the distances are measured from the center of curvature of the optical center of the lens. All the distances are measured from the optical center of the lens. Distance towards left is negative, distance towards right is positive, distance or height upward positive, and height downwards is negative. So these are important sign convention used in optics.